Got your B-roll. Got your B-roll right here. And these a buttered roll, right? A buttered roll with pancake syrup on it. That's good stuff. And I'll be surprised if this pulls a freaking log out of the pile.
I thought, yeah, it's on there pretty good. Our load is quite heavy, and so Ron is going to, he's tied off to a log.
Well, we have a lot of rock in our yard. You know, while you're here, you know, what am I going to do with all the rock? So I figure, well, while I'm raking up leaves, why don't I get rid of some rock too with the leaves, which makes this stuff really heavy. And the leaves are really old and wet. Like,
And isn't this the load that you actually got up on and pressed down to compress it to get more leaves on?
this load.
Was it this load?
I try to do it to every load.
Oh, okay.
We call that maximum capacity.
Oh, were we gonna grab some of these corn off these corn stalks for the chickies?
We'll have fun pecking at them. Oh my Lord. Yeah, I've never done this before. Whoa, and I just start walking.
Okay, I'm gonna shut my car door and then I'm gonna walk back and watch you do this. Set my corn down.
Is that all you got? 3?
So far. It ripped one out, almost ripped the other out, and it actually pulled the log out probably about 6 inches. It did. I have it
I
on.
almost said it, and you would be a professional at that one.
Yes, so now
The sewage spray over there, the nice brown misty stuff over there.
no, I was trying to ignore that, Ron.
Can't smell it.
I can't smell.
Thank you, COVID.
Oh my God. Thanks for watching our redneck way of unloading the trailer.
Ho, ho, ho.
We'll see you guys next time. Bye.